How to earn about $150 on a daily basis by giving away high-ticket gift cards. In today's brief tutorial, I'm going to show you the process of making this cash. Please stick right through the video so I can show you entirely what you should do and how should you execute everything. And at the end, I'm going to give you a few bonuses so that you can optimize your presence on the internet. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on Freedom Guider, the platform that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, and motivational speeches that keeps you highly inspired so you can get your financial freedom. Now, if this intrigues you, please hit the subscription button and hit the notification icon so that I can send you the videos I produce on a daily basis. Now, let's go over to my computer where I get into the details of making this cash. So we'll be using a platform by the name of Offervault. This is an amazing platform where you can get your affiliate links. You can sign up for various affiliate programs that this amazing landing page has. So you're going to go over, and as usual, please, whenever you come to any affiliate platform, scroll around, see what the offers are like before start promoting any of these products. Now, for today's video, we're going to go to gift cards. Now, after typing gift cards in this section, you're going to have a list of companies that are willing to pay you about $2.17 per lead. And this is based on a CPA, that's click per action. So you can come over and you're going to scroll through. Here they have different types of gift cards. You're going to try to find the highest paying gift cards. So when you get a customer that will enter their email address, you'll be getting about $2 per their email, and then that customer will be entering a raffle of getting about $1,000 worth of gift cards from PayPal. So you're going to scroll down and look at the prices ranging about $2 to $3. High ticket leads like this, I would say keep away from it because they will have some needs that you need to fulfill before they can give you this amount of money. So I'll say stick to the lower pricing of about $2 so you can get more people entering their email address where you can get paid. So you're going to scroll down, look through gift cards. Here we go. This is sponsored. After you find the one that you are comfortable about promoting, you're going to click here, then it will give you this page. Now here you have Spain. This is from Spain, and this is being promoted in the countries such as Spain, Poland, and so forth. You're going to come, click this, and fulfill all the needs of the application. In addition, I request that you pass by and you read this information. Each place that you're going to apply for, being an affiliate representative of them, it's great that you read and you understand all the ways of paying, the types of payment, the threshold, and so forth. And there are many, so you can sign up for a lot. But today we're just going to look at this specific one, and also this one, which is related to PayPal gift cards. Now, in a few seconds, I'm going to show you a few things. Now here, guys, we have just clicked the PayPal section one, and this is saying, okay, category gift cards, leads, $2.13, countries, United States. This is a good conversion lead entry for people from the United States. So if you're from the United States, please tell me in the feedback section, and also tell me the countries that you are watching this video from so that I can keep you in mind next time when I'm promoting any form of making money online. So you're going to go here and you're going to complete this, sign up, read again to see what are the requirements, how they pay out, and so forth. After you have completed the application form, it will take about, say, 24 hours or more in order for them to accept your request. After you get your unique affiliate link, you're going to have to start to promote them. And you might ask, where will I be promoting? Guys, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. So guys, please give me a thumbs up and give me a positive feedback because of the information I'm giving you, please. So after you have been approved and everything and you got your affiliate link, you then need to get traffic. And I'm going to show you a free method of getting traffic, which is also organic. So we're going to go over to a platform by the name of Quora. Quora is basically a website where people go, ask questions, and others respond. So you're going to go over, sign up to this, and then what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that your profile is done properly before answering any questions. You're going to make a profile similar to mine, which I say here, guys, whenever you put a profile, keep in mind that you always have to be positively looking. For example, here you smile in the picture when you put a picture of yourself, and you give brief details of your past, your present, and even your future. And on top of that, give people a hint of the positive aspects of making money online. After you have made your profile and also added your affiliate links here to various websites, I request and I highly recommend that you put a YouTube channel. So if you're afraid of the camera, there's something you have to just get over. You have to start taking action. They're all people. They won't eat you if you have a YouTube channel and they're watching your face. So you need to go over that aspect of being afraid from showing your face on the camera. Make a YouTube channel, and I have done a few videos which highlight the importance of having a YouTube channel. And also in the description, I'll take you to various resources that can help you to create a YouTube channel without even showing your face. Resources will be down in a few seconds after I've finished this video for you. So after you've put your face and you gave a brief description of yourself and what you're about, you then need to go over to the search section. When you're at the search section, what you're going to do, you're going to put gift cards. And this can work for any niche in general. So anything you have, you can just type it. And what you're going to do, you're going to look for people that are searching for information relating to Amazon, PayPal, and so forth. So you're going to come here and you're going to click, for example, how to get free gifts, for example. So you're going to tap on this, and after tapping, you're going to have many questions and responses on this platform. What you have to do, you have to start responding to the people. Quora is a platform of interaction. So this is not a quick, rich platform where you just come for a few seconds and you start getting leads. You have to put the time on a daily basis. Put aside maybe about 10 to 15 minutes a day where you come and you look for people that are willing to get information. When you respond to their questions, you then recommend that they sign up for a free gift card, possibly from Amazon or any other platform that you will find on Offervault. So you're going to go and you're going to respond to questions. You're going to respond, for example, you're going to pass by, how do I get gift cards easily? You're going to come here and just be creative. You can either respond in this section or below. I would highly recommend that you never put your affiliate link in any of your response within the first 3 or 4 responses if you are just starting the platform of Quora. Take a time to warm up the system, 3 or 4 days before you put any affiliate links. That's if you're new on the platform. If you're old, direct people to come over to your profile, which was here. I'm going to go back to my profile a bit. But what's important, you go and you give value to others. For example, you're going to say, I will recommend that you do this in order to get, then what? You then say, and this is our example, kindly go to my profile for more information. So when they come over to your profile, that's where you're going to put your affiliate link from Offervault. You're going to do this over and over every day. Go around and you're going to, for example, this is just an example. I will recommend that you do this, that you do this. Okay? Kindly go to my profile. Now, you put a response here, and when you go over back to your profile after completing it, you're going to put your affiliate links of various products that you have. Affiliate links which will link to free gift cards. Do not put affiliate links of other programs because Quora is very technical. They're very sensitive to affiliate links. So you have to keep in mind what type of affiliate links you're going to put on your profile and what to avoid doing, because they will shut your profile down and so forth. So you're going to come over. You're going to start responding on a daily basis to questions related to gift card, questions related to PayPal. Let me just see, type this in. Guys, I'm just giving you information. PayPal, for example, PayPal. Look for questions related to the gift card. You should put the PayPal, for example. You're going to look for questions related to PayPal. Keep in mind the platform which is giving away the gift card, for example, PayPal, Amazon. If I were to go further to Amazon, I saw Amazon gift card a few, for example. I saw Amazon a few hours ago, sorry, where they're giving $100 worth of gift cards from Amazon. So you're going to be creative. You're going to go over and you're going to search for anything that's related to PayPal. Then you're going to advise them to do this and that and take the best advantage of entering a raffle of getting about $1,000 worth of PayPal gift cards. So you're going to do that over and over every day for about 15 minutes or more. What will happen when, after a time, your content will be viewed by various people? Now, I've not used Quora for a long time, but people are still seeing my content. Now, here I've placed this on the 26th of January. You can see it. Let me just go over to my stats. Let me just show you something. Now, here, 80 views, and this has been a long time ago. So this is an organic way. It's free. You just have to give advice to people, give information that you have, encourage them to get a free gift card worthy of $1,000 and so forth. You do this every day for about 10 to 30 minutes. It goes back to the question that you're responding. You have to go through, because what happens after a time, the information that you're giving to the public will accumulate. It grows and grows, and people will always be coming back to look at your question. In addition, Quora has a system where they promote your response and they give you questions based on what you've responded before, and it goes on and on. So guys, take the opportunity and get on Quora today. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this video. Kindly hit the subscription button and hit the notification icon so that I can send you the videos. Kindly give me a thumbs up, any positive feedback about this method that you have seen. And if you have any other methods, please give it to me in the feedback section below. In addition, if you want to take your online marketing skills to a higher level, I request that you invest and you go to the first link that's in the description bar below. So share this video, please, and hope to see you tomorrow with my new skills of making money online. Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.